Ronnit from Balabusta is here to make me a wonderful salad. Two flavours that always work very nicely together, fennel and salmon.
Yep, a really great combo. And I love this salad because it is dinner on the table in less than 10 minutes.
That is very attractive to a lot of people at home. How would you like me to prepare the salmon?
If you could dice it for me in about a 2 centimetre dice, that would be great. We're actually going to marinate the salmon in Chermoula, which is a North African spice.
Yum, I love Chermoula.
It's really good. You can make your own, or you can buy them ready-made, or you can use a variety of spices. What do you like to put in yours?
You know what, I like the wet Chermoula where you use a mortar and pestle to crush lots of parsley and garlic together, cumin, coriander, but you've got a dry one?
I've got a dry one. I love the wet one too, but the dry one's just a spice mix. All of those things in the dried spice version. You can find it in the supermarket even under Moroccan seasoning or in specialty food stores, all make their own different versions.
And it goes with so many different things, particularly fish.
Yeah, fish, white fish, chicken, lamb. So we're going to marinate the fish in this bag. I think this is a great way of marinating.
Yeah, it is a great way because you get all of the marinade over each individual square of salmon. And like we're using salmon, you could use trout, you could use all different types of fish, really.
It's really great with white fish as well.
Yeah.
We're going to cook this under the grill, so it only takes about 5 minutes because the pieces are quite small. So we're just going to put it out on this tray, just separate it a little bit. 3 minutes on one side and then flip over and 2 minutes on the other side. While that's cooking, let's get started with the salad.
Okay.
Do you mind finely slicing the fennel for me? And I'll pop this in the grill.
All right, and I'm just going to do this on a mandolin because you get that beautiful fine shave. See, just like that. Everything's about texture with a salad, so getting it that thin really makes a difference to the crunch.
Yeah, and fennel really tastes different depending on how you cut it. If you just take a bite of fennel, it's really quite aniseedy. But if you slice it really finely like that, you don't get that hit in your mouth.
Spot on.
So you continue with that, Justin. If you mind passing me the dish, and I'll get started on the parsley.
Sounds like a plan. Ronnit, this smells divine. It's not overcooked, it's just lightly toast on the outside, a little bit crunchy. Perfect.
Exactly. And now it's really easy to plate up. We're just going to pop the fennel in with the parsley.
Okay.
We're going to just give it a quick drizzle of
Extra
olive
virgin
oil.
olive oil over the top. Nice.
And a sprinkling of salt. Got a few capers here that we're going to put over for another little burst of saltiness. And then we're going to top it with the fish.
And I guess we're just doing a layered style of salad, so just making it look a little bit organic, just popping it all over the top.
Really nice and rustic family style.
And then all these juices are yummy too, so I'm just going to drizzle that over the top. Ooh, yeah.
Yum. And we're just going to finish it off with some squeezes of lemon. And I actually just pop the lemon skins in there for a beautiful pop of colour and freshness as well.
Yeah. You know, it's kind of deceiving because you see this when it comes to table and you think there's so much effort's gone into it, but it's a really fast, simple dish that's super impressive because it's just so gorgeous.
But don't you think that's the best kind of cooking?
That is the best type of cooking. That's cooking that you and I love to do every day. Ronnit, thank you for showing us your little tips and tricks.
Pleasure.